Spongebob, it was still wet. What do we do? Look. Dang, you're not in the sink, bro? Dang, if I wasn't in the sink, I don't know what I'll do. Like, I'm not gonna magically walk out of the... Well, what the hell? You really walked down? Bro, we're in a hairy, dirty, caca sink. Look at this. What the heck? Look at all the hair. What a dusty, musty, crusty, dusty sink, Mr. Krabs. What the heck? This is dirty. Why would you do this? Hey, at least you're not in the street where people going like, hey, you want some money? I want some money. I want some money. I want some money. I want some money. Jeez, Mr. Krabs, I know what you need. Hair dryer. What's up, buzz in the dryer? Show you how it works. You hit it. Okay, Patrick, say hi to this hair dryer. Okay, Spongebob. Hey, hair dryer. I like Kai patties. Can I have a Kobe butter? Spongebob, what the heck was that? That didn't even dry me at all. Dang. Dick Spongebob, come on, bro. I gotta get dry. What the heck is this thing? Like, bro, what the heck? I need something. I don't want to be wet all day. What the heck are you thinking, man? I don't like bath juice. Oh, that's just disgusting. Ew. Like, Spongebob, come on. I don't want to be wet. You know it. Like, if you're wet too, you wouldn't think the same. You would think the same thing, Spongebob. What the heck? Come on, do something stronger, man. Come on, you gotta put more power. Get something else. Bro, what are you doing? Bro, don't grab it. It's not gonna do anything. Okay, so you're gonna do the same thing. That's not gonna hurt me at all. Trash. Ooh, this is actually pretty good. Ooh, yeah. I was just leaving. Well, they're arguing. Oh, yeah. Trash. I had something. Huh. Watch SpongeBob. You wanna do me like that? Feel this. What up, Squidward? I know your patience are high, but you don't have to get all hyped up. Well, SpongeBob, you better be the win. Cause here goes it. Oh, this is good. That's what you get, SpongeBob. Where's Patrick? Oh no! Look at my big forehead, guys. Fortnite Battle Pass. That's revenge, Squidward. Toothpaste. Is that what I think it is? I didn't make you zoom that in like that. Look at the corn down there. I can see his little baby fur. His baby fur. At least power's not out. SpongeBob, is that you? I'm down here, Squidward. Bathtub. At least I'm not half dried. Oh, I missed. I think that's enough trash for one day. Ew, your hair all over me. Oh, hi, Mr. Blow Dryer. What's your name? Pizza Man? Oh. Man! You know what, SpongeBob? Hair dryers suck. And I think you have something to do with it. That'd be it for today, guys. Have fun! Make sure to subscribe.